water sampling for our lab. And what we're going to do, we chose 3 locations around the lake, and we're getting 3 samples of each one, according to the temperature as well as the what? The bottom of the
turbidity?
Yeah.
Cool.
And we take these 3 samples of each, these 3 sections. We take it back to our lab and we check if the Delta Lake water is safe. That's basically what we're doing.
Awesome.
I'm the obnoxious person jumping in the background. Hi, Mom. The what? I don't know. Oh, yeah. There's a lake that actually has.
Yeah, I'll kind of let everybody kind of catch up to us a little bit. Actually the whitewater trip is pretty decent. I would highly recommend it if you like what you're doing right now.
Oh, yeah.
I would do that.
Well, like I was saying, I've been whitewater rafting.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, the Aqua.
Cool. Yeah.
Back when I lived in Georgia.
Awesome.
I did it twice, and that was enough for me. The other 4s and 5s survived it.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Some people died that day, but not the hard ones. So.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Oh man.
So we didn't go back on.